Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer portfolio from personal capital to Empower, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your personal capital account. Navigate to the investments section in the dashboard. Select the accounts tab to view your portfolio details. Take note of all the accounts you want to transfer. Next, log into your Empower account. If you do not have an Empower account, create one by following the registration process. Once logged in, go to the Account Settings section. Look for an option labeled Import Accounts or Transfer Accounts. Select the option to link or transfer accounts from another institution. You will be prompted to choose the institution from which you are transferring. Select Personal Capital from the list of available institutions. Authenticate your Personal Capital login credentials when prompted. Once authenticated, select the accounts you wish to transfer. Confirm the details of the accounts being transferred for accuracy. Review any fees or term implications associated with the transfer. Submit the transfer request and note any confirmation details. Monitor both your Personal Capital and Empower accounts for updates. Allow several business days for the transfer to complete. Once the transfer is finished, verify that all accounts reflect accurately in your Empower dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.